Hi! Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang hapon, magandang gabi, at magandang buhay. Siya po ang aking mamiya. But she has to work hard. Naglilinis ulit siya ng grapes na gagawin naming jelly. Or mosto koto. Yan po yung grapes na ginagawang red wine. So ngayon, mayroon kaming 1 box is 36 pounds. At gagawin naming jelly or mostokoto. Mostokoto is a Italian jam, right? Kasi ayan, nagtatrabaho po si Lola. Inaalis niya yung mga sanga, mga branches. Tapos ilulutuin namin iyan sa malaking pot for 24 hours. Ayan, i-update ko po kayo sa aming project ni Mamiya. Si Mamiya, dahil 1 box po siya. Oh. Yung tired na daw po siya dahil isang puno yan dyan. Tapos ngayon, ayan, nililipat niya dito. Nandun sa ilalim yung basura ni Mamiya. Yun, oh. Inaalis niya yung mga sanga. Simula umaga siya dyan. Nandito kami sa loob ngayon dahil it's too hot outside, guys. Hot and humid. So, ang ganda ng uniform ni Lola na po. Ganda-ganda ng kanyang apron. Madaming nyaw-nyaw. Meow-meow. So far, 2 years ago, nagawa din kami ni Lola ng mostokoto. Marami noon, 3 boxes. Ngayon, 1 box lang kasi meron pa namang leftover. At saka nagawa din kami ng plum sauce. Super dami kasi 12 jar yung nagawa namin. Hoy, patige, Mamiya?
Sure, I'm fatigued. Not because I'm fatigued that I work so much, because I have this problem on the back.
So lean back a little bit more. Push your back like this. Push your back. Yeah. Lean back. So masakit daw yung kanyang back. Ayan. Last 2 years ago, nung naglinis kami ng grapes, ang ginawa ko, nilagyan ko ng tubig right away, kaya basang-basa kami. So ngayon, rather na may tubig, linisin na lang muna yung mga sanga, yung mga stems, saka na lang natin huhugasan para hindi ganong mabasa.
Yes.
Bad words, Mamiya. You're not supposed to.
I didn't tell you.
Ano, ang init ngayon, guys. Super init. Matamis yan, guys. It's very, very sweet. So, every time na magagawa ng wine, ay nakuha kami ng 1 box.
Is there?
Where? Downstairs? Yeah. The wine?
The guy.
Eric, no. He's coming 2 days. Because it's not like, it's not time to open it. No, they had to mix it. Mostokoto. Napapagod na si Lola. Si Lola.
She's tired.
Yeah, Lola is tired. Fatigue. Pa-fatigue. Mamiya is fatigue. Mm-hmm. Guys, pagluto na ito, sinasala namin ito para maalis yung buto at saka yung balat at saka yung mga natitirang mga sanga-sanga. Ayan.
Okay.
Para magiging jelly juice. So, ang kukunin lang natin dito ay juice. Hindi po natin siya malagay sa juicer dahil maraming buto. Masisira ang juicer natin.
Like questo pure.
Mm-hmm.
You can take out everything.
With one hand. With one hand. Right? Let's eat. But you know, some of this is sour already. It's getting overripe and it's sour. Ito guys, masarap. Next year, we don't need it because we still have some downstairs.
Now, what do you have this? What are you doing?
You make moscoto.
And the moscoto, I forgot what we do.
Is the jam? Is this grapes jam jelly? The you put in the bread, toast for cooking. You don't remember? I get your recipe from you.
I know before I used to know everything. Now I don't know.
Cause you gave it to me, all your recipe.
Yeah, okay.
Pesto, pasta, ravioli, gnocchi. That's what I learned from you. What else? Tiela.
Yeah.
Is it your recipe, the tiela, or Nana Rosina?
Nana Rosina.
And to make the pita for Christmas, what else? The lupinelli. I learned a lot from you. A lot. To make tomato sauce. 10 bucks of tomato. Guys, before nagagawa kami ng tomato sauce, mga 10 boxes tomato. So it's gonna be a lot of tomato sauce. We make it downstairs for about 3 days. Remember? The tomato sauce. Do you remember the first time when I helped you to do the tomato sauce and you said, "Leave me alone," and then you dropped the glass. You broke the glass with tomato sauce. Yeah.
I don't remember.
Before, Mommy is so mean to me. Leave me alone! Get out! So I left, and then not even 10 minutes, I heard boom! She dropped the jar. She broke it.
Must be
A long time ago.
invention.
Invention. Did I? Did you know, Mamiya, that the squirrel was trying to eat the figs? Because it's getting ripe. It's beautiful day. Look at my plant, guys. Have you ever seen my papaya tree? Oh, wow. See, may bunga siya, dalawa. And my pigs outside is so much. Ayan. Yan yung ating isang nag-video tayo dyan, naka-live.
Shut up.
Excuse Mamiya's English. Nice, eh? It looks so good. Sweet like me.
Yeah.
Is this the right grapes to make a red wine? This one? For the white wine, they use white. How do you call that white? The white wine? Muscatel?
If they use muscatel, it's good.
Oh. And how do you call this kind of grapes?
Yes, I don't know.
Oh, you don't know?
Ask the guy.
Eric? When he comes, I want to know what kind of grape is that, because it was so good. I know the white wine, they use muscatel. So guys, ito yung part 1 na paggagawa namin ng Mosto Cotto. It's an Italian jelly or jam. Masarap guys siya, parang plum sauce din siya. Kaya lang, parang ang grapes ay more on, pag naluto siya, parang may alcohol. Nakakalasing. Uy, ay, Mamma Mia Pizzeria. Almost finished.
Yeah, sure.
No, I finished I vacuumed the floor, I mopped the floor, and then later I'm gonna clean the solarium. Last time guys, doon kami sa labas naghuhugas ng grapes. Kasi nilagay ko kagad sa madaming tubig. Eh ngayon, it's hot, humid, can't even stay outside. Nice, huh? I like this one, man. You look good.
What if I sell that?
You look good. You look sweet, this one. See, guys? Ooh, yum, yum, yum.
Yeah, what do you put in it?
I'm gonna eat it. Mm.